one skincare tip. ठीक है? Hey guys, so I'm standing on the stage in front of dermatologist over here and I have a doctor over here. He's gonna give you one tip. So probably if you have a wife, girlfriend, or maybe your spouse, your parents who has acne problems, he's gonna give you one tip over here. Sir, all yours.
Hi people, just because the winter season is on doesn't mean you don't use a moisturizer. Even if you have acne prone skin in winters, please do moisturize your skin. It's very, very important.
If you're already doing that, comment below. If not, share this video with your friends and family. Does this require, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Does this require any editing skill? This is pure value. I'm getting goosebumps right now because I know this works. The reason why you smiled and clapped is because you know this works. You just need one push. That's what I'm here for. That's why I don't carry any PPTs, because they bore you and they make you sleep. Reports, go to Google, Digital Marketing 2020 reports. Go to YouTube, digital marketing strategies. I bet everybody would be saying about TikTok, LinkedIn, and in ads, Instagram story ads, which I'll talk about, and Facebook ads. Getting the point of content, yes or no, guys? Yes. Now let's talk about, I don't have your account, but I'll just put this in draft. I'll definitely post this. And this is another segment. So just after we are end up, just give me your TikTok account, I'll just tag you. What happened just now can be termed as collab or influencer marketing. What you guys can do is, you guys have knowledge. You guys can speak, you guys can do something with respect to your knowledge, but you don't have that exposure. So either you can do ads or maybe you pay somebody who is already having an audience. So I have 1.2 million followers right now where people are watching me. तो उनको अगर ये shout out मिल रहा है, which obviously I'm not going to charge him, but there are influencers who charge you. So if they are charging you 50,000 rupees for one shout out and that account has 20 million followers, do you think that is worth a shout out? Yes, definitely.
But they are not from my vicinity.
Exactly. But same case I told you, my wife has an acne problem. I am not your target audience.
No. I'm not talking about why for you, but I'm talking about the radius.
The radius. Perfectly alright. What you are talking is trying to get the client straight away. What I am talking about is a funnel where you are getting leads, or you are building an audience, or you are building a brand. Because if I now ask you one question, shopping, दिमाग में क्या आया? Alright? Any other than Amazon? Which name? वो बोलता है कभी कि मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ खरीदने के लिए? It's the brand recall value over a long period of time. The things which I'm talking about with respect to content and all these strategies will give you brand recall, and the reason why I'm telling you is brand will always win and you guys have money. So why don't you spend on branding? Because for me, branding and marketing is over here, selling is over here. When you do branding and marketing, you are not selling. But that's the major mistake which everybody is doing. When they're doing ads, they're trying to do, hey, I have this new clinic, please come. While what I do is, guys, while you're watching this video, I just want to express my gratitude till this point in time. Thank you so much for your time. If you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And now back to the episode which you are watching right now. Hey, so I have this clinic over here and I'm up with a free 50 clients with 50% off. That is one. Second, on my social media platforms, I'll put out content for at least 90 days, 3 months, yeah, 3 mahine. It's no big of a deal. 3 months of consistent content if I'm putting up, and then on the 4th month, I'm doing ads and going all chips in the vicinity. In the vicinity, if I'm saying, hey, so after having 90 plus videos on TikTok and over 10,000 followers, which you'll easily get on TikTok because of the organic growth, over 10,000 followers who are watching me every single day, I have all the skincare problem solutions. So come on TikTok, let's get connected. Now what will happen? I have not sold anything. I have not talked about my clinic. But what I did was, I put out a piece of content, I'm doing ads, I'm showing to 1 kilometer vicinity of Club 07. All those people have कि हाँ ये कोई है. But in the back end, what I'm doing is, in my Facebook ads platform, I'm tracking. If my video is 5-minute video, let's say, or 2-minute video, I can track how many people have watched 25% of the video, how many people have watched 50% of the video, how many people have watched 75% of the video, and how many people have watched 90% of the video. All these statistics are possible when you are doing ads, not the free content which you are posting, ads. Now, you know that out of 1 lakh views on the video, where you are not selling anything, if you know that 75% of the people are close to 2,000 people out of 1 lakh, so you know ये 2,000 जो है ना थोड़े interested लग रहे हैं because they are watching my 75% of the content. Now you do another ad where you are saying, hey, because you watched my video, earlier video where I was talking about the skincare problems, I hope you got connected on TikTok, but by any chance if you are looking or if family members are having skincare problems, do visit my clinic. This is retargeting. This is like hitting your hot audience. Because right now, I know everybody has money, but if I tell you, hey, please be my client, चल निकल, अंदर तो दिमाग में वही आएगा. All right?
They are not staying, nearby your area, in your radius. They are staying far away.
Then target them.
How they will come to you?
You don't see, that's where you have to use the digital platforms to book the appointments. I'll show you a thing over here. Let's suppose.
But a guy who is living in Bangalore,
Okay.
and he is seeing my video, he is not going to come to me in Ahmedabad.
So what is your end goal? You tell me first that. What is your end goal? What do you want from that Bangalore guy or girl who is seeing your video? What is your end goal?
My end goal to come and people coming to my clinic more and more. That is my end goal.
But then you'll have to open up a clinic in Bangalore, obviously. Bangalore से तो अहमदाबाद में directly कोई ऐसा नहीं आएगा ना. But that's why you are not tapping the Ahmedabad crowd. जहाँ पर क्लिनिक है पहले उनको तो टैप करो.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि अहमदाबाद में मेरा क्लिनिक है.
सॉरी, अहमदाबाद में?
अहमदाबाद में क्लिनिक है मेरा.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
और मेरा वीडियो और वो जो कंटेंट है वो तो रीच कर रहा है सब जगह पे.
That is the organic part, sir. I'll go into the inorganic. Whenever we are talking about the specific targeting, वहाँ पर हम ads करते हैं. That is ad. Always remember, when you want के specific ये ही चीज होनी चाहिए, at that point in time you always remember you are doing ads, which is what I'm going to show you. Let's suppose I'll go into one of the accounts over here. ईशान, आज ये तो भी recording था ना, આપણે ક્યાંય भी publish નહીં કરવાનું. So now, if I'm going into this particular account and if I'm going into lifetime budget, so this account, if you see on the top, this account is from March 3, 2019 up to today. You can clearly see, okay fine, let me just change the filter to all the campaigns. This is Facebook ads, guys, okay? Facebook ads कितने रुपीस की रन की है एक साल में? Can you see the number? It is 79,000 or $80,000. So what is that in INR? 80,000 into 70 pakdo. All right, close to 60 lakh. 60 lakh rupees in 1 year. He is one of my clients. So I know what I'm talking about over here. There are clients who are spending crores of rupees in 1 year, and now the ROI of this is उसने जब 80 लाख यहाँ स्पेंड किए हैं, he is into solar panel industry. So the installations and everything वो जो होता है वो इंडस्ट्री में है. He is from Queensland. I'll show you how sitting over here I am targeting in Queensland ताकि Queensland में वहाँ पर solar panel install हो. Let's say the 2 campaigns which are right now running, I'll go into that. Can you see it over here? People living in this location. These are pin codes. You can target to that level on Facebook ads. What is the pin code over here? Tell me the pin code of Club 07. Anybody know? When you have Google, you don't ask. Alright, so it is 380058. So I won't mess around with my client's account. I'll go to my dummy account over here. Let's say this one. I go into create. I knew this question would come up, तो मैंने तैयारी रखा था. We are talking about what? People living in this location, which is what? Gujarat. Targeting में मैंने यहाँ पर क्या रखा है? This one. Let me zoom in. Zoom हो रहा है यहाँ पर? Okay. So this is Gujarat. Now let's talk about that pin code. Pin code में paste किया यहाँ पर. Can you see इतना ही location है? Now this location, somebody got excited or what? No, I heard some claps. So now only this area. ये area में, I'm just loving the smiles on your faces here. This just solve your problems, right? This is just like magical things. Magic जो मेरे लिए हुआ था ना, वो मोबाइल मेरे यहाँ पर आ गया था. Something like that feeling which you are getting right now. So anyways, coming over here, this is this specific area और उसमें भी सब लोग नहीं. People who are, if you can read this description, people who have expressed an interest in or like pages related to skincare. Do you think this is narrow targeting? I feel this is too broad as a marketeer. Trust me how much narrow I can go for you guys as a marketeer. Alright, this is where people like us are giving ROIs to brands. Because आप जो सोच रहे हो कि ये एकदम narrow है, this is broad, too broad. Though there are only 8,800, 10,000, close to 10,000 approximate people, which when seeing your ad can give you an estimated approximate 200 clicks a day on your ad. Matlab, when somebody is seeing an ad who comes into this criteria, you might get 200 clicks on that ad a day. Do you think if your ad is creative and good enough, and if your brand is already established as a dermatologist, out of 100 or 200 clicks, can you convert 5 clients minimum?
Guys, while you're watching this video, I just want to express my gratitude till this point in time. Thank you so much for your time. If you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up, do subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And now back to the episode which you are watching right now.
Then obviously it depends on your sales team, your follow-ups and everything. But just imagine every day 5 clients like this. But now you must be thinking, साला पैसा तो बताया नहीं कितना गया इसमें. All right, let's go a little bit down. And this is too broad. I'm still telling you broad. This happened based on a daily budget of 800 rupees. Guys, 800 तो मतलब कुछ नहीं है तुम लोगों के लिए. Because one client, on an average, one client is worth how much? If can anybody tell? If my wife is coming to you, कितने में डब्बे में डालोगे आप minimum? 2,000, 600, 600 to मतलब मैं 5 client दे रहा हूँ. If I'm just hypothetically putting numbers so that you get a better picture. If you are getting 5 clients out of 800, तो एक client मुफ्त में गया ऐसा समझ लो. But that is your investment in business. Got it? This is just one possibility. Now let's talk about Facebook ads is divided into 3 different segments: demographics, interests and behaviors. If I click on demographics, there is education, financial, life events, XYZ. Let's go into parents. Let's go into all parents. Wow. Alright, gold mine. Parents with adult children 18 to 26. मतलब क्या? 45 से 50 की उम्र के होंगे वो. I mean 32 से पकड़ो 50. If you are just targeting them, alright, you can select them. I'm just randomly picking up any one. All right. And now I'm cutting down this skincare. Obviously, the reach went down because we narrowed. And that too, kahan par? Club 07. This pin code only. Let me just increase that. Let me just increase that to Ahmedabad. And just say current city only. Alright. So in Ahmedabad, there are close to 7,400. This is this potential reach. This is not the exact reach. किसी को मालूम नहीं है. आज कोई बच्चा कहीं तो पैदा हुआ ही होगा. So you don't know. Alright. So you are getting on an average once again this much clicks from whom? From parents with preschoolers. Your ad creative would be, hey guys, so you might be having a 5-year-old kid to up to 5-year-old kid, and if your wife has a blah 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 problem, then here is our offer, we'll give you 50% discount. And now, before you do that ad, gender mein, you will select men. Why? Because that ad is targeted to men. Your ad copy says what? Hey guys, so maybe your wife might be having this problem. Second ad would be, hey guys, so maybe your girlfriend might be having this problem. And then if you're talking about the girlfriend, parents nahi chahiye usme. Alright? Now let me go into demographics once again. If I go into life events, if I go into anniversary within blah blah blah, okay, long distance relationship, let's say. You can go into new relationship, newly engaged. Like just imagine if I'm going into newly engaged 3 months, my ad creative would say, hey guys, so congratulations, you might just have got engaged. I have a present in form of 50% coupon if you just want any checkup for your skin. I'm not freaking selling anything. I'm trying to avoid my word, but I'm not even selling anything. I'm emotionally getting connected with my audience who don't know me. And this is the magic of advertisements. So always remember, the reason why I'm telling you people fail on Facebook ads is because they are not doing ads, more ads. Why I started my conversation with content? Because यहाँ पर जो ad दिखेगी वो क्या है? It is content. What form? A video or an image or a text. So if you are not creating content as a brand, यहाँ पर भी कुछ नहीं होगा. But यहाँ पर, as the sir said, कि हाँ editor चाहिए होगा, then you will have to have a team. But obviously, if you are going this deep down, you all alone as a doctor won't be doing anything. In fact, 70% of the people sitting over here won't do anything individually. Yes or no? They would obviously hire people. All right? Period. End of story. Yes, sir.
The thing is what? Right now, many of them would be running the ad.
Yep.
Not they are running themselves. They are giving it to somebody else. So how to track this whether that fellow is doing right or wrong?
You have to trust your marketeers, or else you fire them. It is like basic.
No, but is it good to hire them or is it good to learn certain things?
Definitely you should hire. You should definitely hire. I ran close to 20 lakh rupees ki ad in 2019 on my personal branding. On just my personal branding without a single ad selling anything. But now all those fruits are just in 3 months.
Now, here are a couple of more episodes which I would really love for you. If you have additional time, or maybe you can just tap on that and just bookmark those videos so that if you can watch it later on. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future valuable episode on this YouTube channel.